sound right there? It's costing some drivers thousands in repairs. And if you're starting your car like most people do, you might be next. Today, I'm exposing the 5 costly mistakes that are silently ruining your car, and trust me. Number 4, shocked even experienced mechanics. Let's dive into mistake number 1, long cranking. You know that moment when your engine won't catch, and you just keep cranking, and cranking, and cranking. Stop right now. Here's what's actually happening inside your engine during those endless cranking sessions. Your starter motor is being pushed to its absolute limits. But worse than that, you're literally starving your engine of oil. During those long cranks, there's minimal oil pressure, meaning metal is grinding against metal. 10 seconds of this can cause more wear than 500 miles of normal driving. The fix? Never crank for more than 5 seconds. If your engine doesn't start, wait 30 seconds before trying again. This gives your battery time to recover and helps prevent starter motor damage. Mistake number 2, starting with a weak battery. Your car's computer needs a minimum voltage to properly control fuel injection and timing. When you try to start with a weak battery, you're not just risking a non-start, you're potentially flooding your engine with excess fuel. Modern engines need at least 12.4 volts to start properly. Anything less, and you're forcing your engine to run with incorrect fuel mixtures, which can damage your catalytic converter. A $1,000 plus repair right there. Mistake number 3 might be happening in your driveway right now. Revving a cold engine. I see this all the time. People firing up their cars on cold mornings and immediately hitting the gas to warm it up faster. When your engine is cold, the oil is thick and hasn't reached all the critical components yet. Revving now is like running a marathon without warming up. Except your engine's parts are made of metal, and they're grinding against each other at thousands of RPM. Just 30 seconds of this can cause more wear than months of normal driving. Number 4 is the silent killer most people never think about. Starting and immediately driving off. But my car has modern synthetic oil, you might say. Wrong thinking. Even with the best synthetic oil, your engine needs at least 30 to 90 seconds to build proper oil pressure. Those first few seconds after startup are when 80% of all engine wear occurs. Give your car just 30 seconds before putting it in gear. This single habit could double your engine's lifespan. And finally, mistake number 5. The quick start-stop cycle. You know those moments when you start your car, realize you forgot something, and shut it off immediately? Or maybe you're just moving it a few feet in the driveway? This short cycling is like playing Russian roulette with your engine. Here's why. When you start your engine, it dumps extra fuel into the cylinders for that initial start. When you shut it off seconds later, that unburned fuel washes down your cylinder walls and into your oil. It's like pouring gasoline into your engine oil, because that's literally what's happening. Do this enough times, and your oil becomes contaminated, losing its ability to protect your engine. Even worse, that fuel can cause detonation when you next start up, potentially damaging your pistons and rings. I've seen engines with scored cylinder walls from this exact habit. A $4,000 repair that could have been avoided. The rule? Once you start your engine, let it run for at least 2 minutes. If you need to move your car a short distance, consider if you really need to shut it off. Those few extra minutes of idle time are nothing compared to the cost of major engine repairs. So what's the right way to start your car? Here's your golden routine. 1. Turn key to on position. Wait 2 seconds. 2. If it doesn't start in 5 seconds, stop and wait. 3. Once started, wait 60 seconds before driving. 4. Keep RPMs under 2,500 for the first few minutes. 5. Think twice before short cycling your engine. Remember, your engine is an investment. Treat it right during these crucial first moments, and it'll reward you with years of reliable service. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and share.